In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe email receipts for 2025 with a step-by-step guide. Whether you're setting up your online business or just integrating new payment solutions, ensuring your customers receive email receipts from their Stripe transactions is crucial. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Stripe dashboard. Be sure you're in the test environment if you're just setting things up for practice or testing purposes. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your main hub for all things Stripe, where you can see a snapshot of your business activities. After you familiarize yourself with the layout, the next stop is your settings. You'll find the settings icon, usually at the top right of the dashboard. Clicking on this will open a new page where you can access all the configuration options for your Stripe account. Once you're in the settings, keep an eye out for the business settings section. Clicking on business will take you to another part of the settings menu specifically tailored for businesses, where you'll have options relating to your business's information and how you communicate with your customers. It's in this area that we're able to set up those email receipts. We're going to focus on the customer email settings next. By clicking here, we move one step closer to ensuring our customers receive comprehensive receipts via email after transactions are completed. Customer emails are a great way to maintain professionalism and ensure customer satisfaction, and receipts can help reduce customer inquiries related to payment confirmations. Now let's enable the toggle for successful receipt. This will ensure that every time a customer successfully makes a payment through your platform, an email receipt promptly makes its way to them. The toggle can be easily found within the customer email section. A simple click and you're good to go. Remember, this small step makes a big difference, offering your customers peace of mind and reducing back and forth communication about payment confirmations. Finally, don't forget about handling refunds. In the same customer email section, you'll find an option for refunds. Here you can manage how email communications are handled when payments fail. It's just as important to let customers know when a transaction hasn't been successful or if a refund has been processed. By managing these settings, you ensure that your customer communication remains transparent and up to date. And there you have it. A comprehensive yet simple setup to ensure your Stripe transactions send email receipts automatically. Thank you for watching and happy setting up!